Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a video on how I cleaned up my Skyway Tuff wheels. So here's what they look like now. As you can see, the previous owner ran black brake blocks, and all of the rubber is now transferred onto the rim of the Skyway Tuffs. So I'm going to try and remove this. Okay, this is quite a common issue on Skyways. So this is a 24 inch. I've already had a go, and this is the result. Look at that. No damage. It didn't take too long. So I'm going to show you how I got to this stage. All you'll need is a DA or a rotary polisher like this, some sanding discs. Now I'm using 240 grit. I wouldn't go any lower than 240 because then you might start taking chunks out of the plastic rim. I found 240 to be a good compromise. And then to finish it off, you'll need some WD-40. So let me show you how I did it. Safety first, just in case. Now I'm going to put this on the lowest speed I can because it does create a bit of heat. So that's something to be aware of. So don't go at one stage of the rim for too long. Move on to another, let the other one cool down. Okay, so we will need to clean the pad, so just letting these cool down. So just do it gradually, take your time, section at a time, let it cool down and just work your way around the rim. So let me just go and clean this off. So this sanding disc is a mesh disc, as you can see the holes in it. I've not used one of these before, so just gonna give these a whirl. Okay, try again. Looking better already. As I say, just make your way around the wheel. Right, once you're happy with the level of sanding that you require, I mean that's pretty good, give it a good clean and then we'll come back. So I've just given it a brush off outside. There's so much dust on there. Right. You can see that. Hopefully the brakes will work after this. Spray there. You can see the before and after look. And there you have it. Well, some of it I could rub back a little bit more, but just to show you on the video. There you go. What do you think of that? So there we have it. The finished article. Just to prove, I did the other side as well. It's a bit dirty now, but there you go. As good as the front one now. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe as well for more DIY car and bike videos. Catch you on the next video.